how to get 3 job interviews within literally 3 hours while you're working in labor job. So in this video I'm gonna actually show you one thing which is like super interesting, and I hope it potentially will change your perspective in terms of job search, specifically looking for a job here in Poland. And I'm actually recording this video without any preparation, nothing. It's gonna be super raw, and I'm just gonna show you I'm actually saying again, very important point, very important thing that you have to know. And I hope from my bottom of my heart, I hope it will actually change your perspective for the job search. So basically, here's my brother's account, and he was actually working with me, and he came October 2025 to Poland for studying. And right now he's studying at the University of Warsaw, and he's studying business management. And he's been working with me since I launched my company, which is Capital Career Club. And he's been actually working with me over the course of 1 year, 11 months. Like basically around 1 year, 9 months he worked with me. And right now he is in Biedronka. Like, for those who don't know, Biedronka is like Polish, the biggest, like the grocery store, like the chain. So you can actually go and just buy stuff. And then he's actually just placing stuff in the, like the merchandiser, they say, the product to the shelf. While he is working, today he got 3 job interviews just because from LinkedIn. He even applied for single job, like literally he didn't even apply to single job. All he did just optimize his LinkedIn profile, basically me helping him to optimize his profile. And let's have a look at his entire LinkedIn profile. I'm just gonna go through it. This is what happens if you get it right. So here's the headline: Diorbi Haitev, sales development representative, generated 1,500 sales calls, LinkedIn sales navigator, B2B sales, enterprise sales, SDR, BDR, CRM, DM for more info. This part wasn't from me actually, I think he did it. DM for more info. And that's the about section. Sales development representative, generating 450 to 500 qualified B2B prospects monthly and 30 to 35 discovery calls weekly for enterprise SaaS clients, 20 plus month proven sales execution, managing 40 plus daily conversations while maintaining conversation quality and CRM discipline in a remote first environment. That's super powerful copy. That's super powerful. What I do, bullet points, 5 bullet points right there. Core expertise, currently seeking. You see, immediately he's giving. Let's connect. If you are building high velocity sales team or need someone who can flip pipelines while maintaining quality, let's talk. DM with SDR for for priority support. Language English, Russian B1, Uzbek native. Okay, let's for the priority support response. Look at the sales and marketing specialists. Revenue generated, sales development roles specializing in high volume B2B lead generation and appointment setting for enterprise and mid-market technology clients using strategic LinkedIn prospecting and constructive qualifications methodology. Generated, booked, managed, maintained, demonstrated sales acquisition, acceleration, adopted quality to SaaS, and then the sales and clients relationship specialist. That's the education center. He learned how to talk in English, how to speak in English. And right now he's been like the studying since 2025. He actually basically finished his first semester. After like the first semester, you get like some sort of vacation, let's say like the winter vacation. And right now he's actually busting his ass working in the Biedronka. And while he's working in the Biedronka, so today at 8:20 a.m. he's actually getting this message. Hope you don't mind this message, blah blah blah. Recruiter, B2B sales manager, international tech, blah blah blah. And then I'm actually saying, I appreciate the message. May I have a look at the full job description before we jump on a call? But if you want to walk through it in the call, that's fine too. So I would love to see the slots available for the next days. And kind DR. That's the first opportunity. And that's the second one. And then she's saying that sales account manager, career in premium travel. Boom, boom, boom. Giving the job description. And I'm saying thanks for the outreach. I love the company value. Just did some research on that. Would love to talk. Let me know if we could book a quick call. Kind DR. That's it. The last but not least, basically right now we are sitting 15:13, basically 3:13 p.m. And then today at 2 p.m. she texted, "Good morning, hope you're doing well, X, Y, and Z. I came across your profile, would love to reach out. We are currently looking for new sales professionals to join our team at this company." And like 3 of the company, my clients, they work already. I know the recruitment process and I'm gonna help him to get a job. So the point I'm trying to explain, I have the data, first of all, so I can actually prepare him for the job interview. It might be performance interview, it might be basically with the HR or like just pre-qualification call, whatever it might be. The point I'm trying to explain is you can actually get a job on easy mode if you get the LinkedIn right. And for those who are actually sending a bunch of applications every single day, hoping something will change, it's not going to happen. Right now, basically, I actually saw this message. I got the wake-up call, and then I'm just actually recording this video to show you what is actually possible if you get it done right. The LinkedIn. While you're actually working in the labor job, which is my brother, like he actually got the 3 job interviews within like 3-4 hours. And that's how powerful the LinkedIn is if you get it done right. I'm gonna actually basically help him to get a job, and we're gonna do the podcast with him and you guys are gonna see it. And for now, that's pretty much it. And if you're not using LinkedIn, you're actually missing a big opportunity on the table. You not being able to actually capture the opportunity. I'm actually building the largest international community who actually work in corporate companies here in Poland. And I'm gonna actually bring as much people as possible, people who are working, people who are trying to get a job. And I'm planning to actually give all the value that I have, basically like the templates, CV templates, LinkedIn optimization, plug and play, this exact thing that you will get. And then the script for the salary negotiation, interview prep docs, outreach mechanism, basically everything, you will get it. And on top of that, I'm planning to actually conduct weekly Q&A sessions. You can actually ask anything from me, so to get the personalized feedback on your process or on your job search, which is actually holding you back, not be able to get the job interview or the offer. So you can actually just click the link down below and you can actually join to my community, and we're gonna actually revolutionize the job search here in Poland for internationals. And I'm super excited about 2026, and that's one of the biggest goal that I have. I'm actually doing it. I'm building the largest community in Poland, specifically for job seekers, specifically for those who are working in the companies but wanted to actually get better job. And just join to something which is bigger than yourself, and we're gonna actually do really good stuff. And I'm super excited, and I hope this video actually made you realize that just because of having the CV is not the job offer or is not the job interview, and there are other things that works for you while you're sleeping, while you're actually just filling out the shelves on the Biedronka. Thank you so much for the time, and see you in the next time. Bye bye.